Hello YouTube, my name is Sean from Expert Mechanics at 727 Kipling Avenue, Etobicoke, Ontario, M8Z5G4. Phone number here is 416-201-8600. We're working on 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid, and we performed the oil change, and we are just going to reset the oil service reminder light. So this is how you do it. You have your Bluetooth key with you, shut all the doors, do not start the car, just press on the start button here until the display comes on the center computer. There you go, and hit OK. There you go, now it's on. So what you do is you go over to settings, the touch screen, so you hit the settings, and then you scroll down to vehicle using the knob here. So you come to vehicle, you can either press that or you can actually touch it with your finger too, and then you can scroll down through these settings here and go to maintenance. Like I said, you can press this one to select it, or you can actually go down to it and you push that. Either way you can do it. So it brings you to this screen, and then says select items. So you can select well, right now we already did it, so it says oil life is 100%, but what you would do is you would select the oil light. If you did a tire rotation, you will select that, and if you did the transmission fluid or air filters, each one of those can be selected. Spark plugs, engine coolant, brake fluid, so all the fluids are there. Whichever service you do, you will select that and it will go to reset it. However, we did the oil change only, and we're not going to reset everything. You can also hit once all do items at once, and it will reset everything. But you don't want to do that because you don't want to throw off the customer or other mechanics to show or to know what's been done and what's not being done. So just do reset the only thing that you did, which is the oil change. We're going to click that, and then it gives you this screen where it says reset. You can go and click it like that, and now it's saying that it's been reset. And then when you go back out, you can confirm it too. You go back again to the maintenance, and hit OK, and then on the top right there it says oil life is 100%. Service was A17. That's how it is, and very simple. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.